Now to turn it back to bluish, back towards the purple, what do you add? What are you going to add to the pink to make it? What color do you need?
A lot of baking soda.
That's right, Tessa.
Okay.
You'll need a whole lot of baking soda, and I don't know if it's going to work because you've got a lot of one ingredient in the citric acid. So what's going on here is that the purple cabbage water changes color by the pH, and the acid makes it acidic.
Do you have any more of this stuff?
Yes. You're going to dump the whole thing in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to use some first.
Yeah, that's it. Awesome.
That's my turn.
And why don't you use your finger to sweep it in there? Okay. And, ooh, wow. And the baking soda is a base. So they're opposites.
So they turn opposite colors.
So they turn opposite colors. And when they're balanced, you've got the pink and the blue. And what do pink and blue make when they're mixed together?
I think you need more of
Pink and blue
this.
mixed together make purple.
Ooh.
I think
So
you need
we
some
get
more
purple.
of that.